What's the meaning of beanbag? Beanbag. Beanbag.
Beanbag. Beanbag. A beanbag is a type of soft furniture made from fabric filled with small polystyrene beads or similar filling material. It is commonly used as a comfortable seating option in informal settings such as home theaters, game rooms, or children's playrooms. The beanbag gained popularity in the 1970s as a symbol of youth culture and casual living. Due to its lightweight and portable nature, it is often used for lounging, reading books, watching movies, or playing video games. Beanbags come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, making them an ideal choice for anyone who wants to add a fun and relaxed vibe to their living space.